So I created an awesome calculator with ChatGPT, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did it. So it's quite simple. So for the link for ChatGPT is below in the description. And so when you click on it, it's going to bring you here. But before, you need to sign up first and some kind of mobile number verification. And when you're done, it's going to lead you to this page. So let's type some few commands for ChatGPT to provide us with our calculator code. So let's type let's say create calculator websites using, so we are going to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I want ChatGPT to create a calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And when you click enter, so it says it can provide with a basic structure of a calculator. So it's going to build the code for us within some few seconds. So it's now building the HTML PHP code, and then when it's done, it's going to build the CSS code, and when it's done, it's going to build P the JavaScript code. Sorry. So as we keep waiting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell. Well, you find this video very useful, when at the end you can also create your own calculator, kindly give me a like. And also, if you have some questions, you can just type them in the comment section. I'll attend to that one. Okay, so it's done building, then the PHP HTML code is now building the CSS code. Wait for a while. It's also building the JavaScript code. So Chat GPT will maybe overcome or replace programmers very soon, because and also it makes programmers and website developers work very easier. So it's done generating the codes. What we have to do is to, let's start with the HTML PHP. We have to click here to copy the code, and then we open our VS Code, or if you have Sublime Text, or if you have Atom, or any other software you use. So you need to first open a folder. You have to create a folder. So I'll name it chat gpt.html. So the extension is very needed. That's the .html. So in select, the folder is going to open, and then we have to create a file where we can paste the PHP, what's the name? The PHP codes. Yes. So I'm going to name it index.html. I hit enter and I paste the code by using Ctrl plus V. Then I come back to the codes and I scroll down to the CSS code, and I also copy the code, and then I create another file here and I name it style.css. So the extension .css is very needed. So I paste the code here, and finally I copy the JavaScript code, and I go to my VS Code. I also create another file which I'll call it scripts dot js. So the dot js is very needed, and I'll paste it here. Then I'll save my work by just Control S, or you can come to the file and the save. Yeah, so Control S, and I'll run my live. So go live, or you can just open with any browser. So I'm going to go live, and then here comes my code. So let's do some few calculations. So let's say 9 times 6, and it gives me 54. I can clear it here. So every functionality is working, everything is working here. And if you want to make any adjustment or any changes, you can just work on the codes here. So this is how to create a calculator for your project or website for any. So if you find this video helpful, kindly give me a subscribe and also hit the notification bell. I've got more videos such as this, so stay tuned. Thank you.